Welcome to Aerospace Engineering Enclave. When we look up at the night sky, we often get lost in the vastness of the cosmos. But have you ever wondered about the earthly launch pads that make these journeys possible? Today we're counting down the top 7 rocket launch sites in the world, ranked by the sheer number of launches. These aren't just concrete pads, they're monuments to human ambition, each with a story etched in fire and determination. Get ready for a thrilling journey through the history and significance of these iconic sites. We'll uncover hidden gems and relive humanity's greatest leaps into the unknown. The top spot is on a currently leased ellipse enclave and will be administered by the lessee until 2050. Buckle up, space enthusiasts, it's going to be a wild ride. Our countdown begins in Wenchang, China, home to the country's newest launch site. Imagine, just a decade ago, this place was practically a quiet stretch of coastline. Now, it's a throbbing heart of China's spacefaring ambitions. Opened in 2014, Wenchang represents China's commitment to surpassing the rest of the world in space exploration. This site is a launch pad for China's most ambitious missions, the kind that sends shivers down your spine. We're talking about the Long March 5, a heavy-lift behemoth designed to carry massive payloads into orbit. Think about the Tianwen-1 mission, a bold journey to Mars. That rocket roared into the sky from Wenchang, carrying a rover destined to explore the Martian surface. And who could forget the Chang'e lunar missions? These missions, also launched from Wenchang, are rewriting what we know about the moon. What's even more impressive is that Wenchang is just getting started. The launch cadence here is increasing rapidly, a clear sign that China is only getting more ambitious. They have their sights set on enhancing Tiangong, the Chinese space station, and Wenchang has been the primary launch site for its modules. Wenchang is a symbol of China's growing prowess in space, and the world is watching with a mixture of awe and anticipation. From the bustling launch pads of China, we shift our focus to Tanegashima, Japan, where meticulous engineering meets the raw power of rocket science. Nestled on a picturesque island, Tanegashima is a testament to Japan's unique approach to space exploration. This is the heart of JAXA, the Japan Aerospace Exploration Agency, a testament to their precision and technological prowess. Unlike some of the other sites on our list, Tanegashima isn't about sheer volume. It's about targeted missions, each one meticulously planned and executed with the utmost care. Japan's space program is more specialized, more focused on scientific discovery and technological innovation. Tanegashima is the birthplace of the HIIA and HIIB rockets, workhorses that have reliably carried payloads into orbit for decades. And let's not forget the newly minted H3 rocket, a symbol of Japan's commitment to advancing their launch capabilities. Think about the HTV resupply missions to the International Space Station. These missions, launched from Tanegashima, are a lifeline for the astronauts aboard the orbiting laboratory. Then there's the Akatsuki Venus probe, a mission that showcases Japan's scientific ambition. Launched from Tanegashima, Akatsuki is studying the hellish atmosphere of Venus, unraveling the secrets of this enigmatic planet. Tanegashima may not be the busiest launch site, but it's a place where quality trumps quantity. Our journey takes us to the shores of South America, where nestled in the lush rainforests of French Guiana lies the Guiana Space Center. This is Europe's gateway to the cosmos, a testament to international collaboration and the pursuit of scientific discovery. Operated jointly by the European Space Agency, ESA, and the French Space Agency, CNS, the Guiana Space Center is a beacon of European ingenuity. It's a place where nations come together, pooling their resources and expertise to achieve something truly extraordinary. The Guiana Space Center is situated near the equator, which gives rockets a little extra boost from the Earth's rotation, allowing them to carry heavier payloads into orbit. The Ariane 5 rocket, launched from this site, has become synonymous with precision and success. Let's talk about the James Webb Space Telescope. This revolutionary observatory began its journey from the Guiana Space Center. The world held its breath as the Ariane 5 rocket carried this precious cargo into space, a testament to the launch site's crucial role in pushing the boundaries of astronomy. The Guiana Space Center may not have the highest launch frequency, but it's a place where quality and reliability reign supreme. It's a testament to what we can achieve when we work together, reaching for the stars as one planet. From the rainforests of South America, our journey takes us to the subcontinent of India, where on the coast of the Bay of Bengal lies the Satish Dhawan Space Center. This is India's flagship spaceport, a symbol of their unwavering commitment to reaching for the stars. Named after the visionary Indian scientist Satish Dhawan, this launch site is a testament to India's remarkable journey in space exploration. They've gone from a nation taking its first tentative steps in space to a global player, launching their own satellites, exploring the moon and Mars, and inspiring generations to come. What's truly remarkable about the Satish Dhawan Space Center is its efficiency and cost-effectiveness. They've mastered the art of doing more with less, developing reliable launch vehicles like the Polar Satellite Launch Vehicle, PSLV, and the Geosynchronous Satellite Launch Vehicle, GSLV. These rockets, launched from the Satish Dhawan Space Center, have carried countless satellites into orbit, not just for India, but for other nations as well. They've become a reliable partner in the international space community, providing affordable and efficient launch services. But it's not just about launching satellites. The Satish Dhawan Space Center has also been the launchpad for some of India's most ambitious missions. Remember Chandrayaan, India's first mission to the moon? That journey began right here. And then there's Mangalyaan, India's mission to Mars. This incredible feat of engineering made India only the fourth space agency in the world to reach the Red Planet. The Satish Dhawan Space Center is a symbol of India's rising star in the field of space exploration. It's a place where innovation thrives, where dreams take flight, and where the pursuit of knowledge knows no bounds. Our countdown brings us now to the space coast of Florida, home to Kennedy Space Center and Cape Canaveral Space Force Station. These legendary launch pads have been etched into the annals of space history, forever linked to humanity's greatest adventure, the journey to the stars. Kennedy Space Center, managed by NASA, is practically synonymous with human spaceflight. It's the launch site for America's crewed missions, the place where brave astronauts have strapped themselves atop colossal rockets, ready to pierce the veil of the atmosphere. Think about the Apollo missions, the pinnacle of human achievement. The moment we set foot on another celestial body, those mighty Saturn V rockets roared into the sky from Kennedy Space Center, carrying with them the dreams of a nation. And let's not forget the Space Shuttle program, a testament to reusable spacecraft and our desire to make space travel more routine. For 30 years, those iconic space planes soared into orbit from Kennedy Space Center, deploying satellites, conducting scientific experiments, and building the International Space Station. Cape Canaveral Space Force Station, right next door, has been a launch pad for countless military and commercial missions. And then there's SpaceX, the private company revolutionizing the space industry. Their Falcon 9 rockets have become a common sight launching from both Kennedy Space Center and Cape Canaveral. The sheer volume of launches from these two sites is staggering, each one carrying a piece of human ingenuity and ambition. Our journey across America's launch sites takes us now to the Golden Coast of California, where nestled amidst rolling hills and overlooking the Pacific Ocean lies Vandenberg Space Force Base. This sprawling complex is a testament to the strategic importance of space, a launch pad for missions that keep a watchful eye on our planet and unravel the mysteries of the cosmos. Unlike its East Coast counterparts, Vandenberg is all about polar orbits. When you launch a rocket eastward, you get a little boost from the Earth's rotation. But sometimes, you need to send satellites over the poles, and that's where Vandenberg shines. This strategic location makes Vandenberg the go-to launch site for a variety of missions, from monitoring the Earth's climate to keeping an eye on global security. Vandenberg is a launch pad for the National Reconnaissance Office, NRO, the agency responsible for America's spy satellites. These clandestine spacecraft play a vital role in gathering intelligence and monitoring global events. But it's not all about secrecy and espionage. Vandenberg also plays a crucial role in understanding our planet and the forces that shape it. It's the launch site for many Earth observation satellites like those operated by NOAA that monitor our weather patterns, track climate change, and help us predict natural disasters. And let's not forget SpaceX, who have established a presence at Vandenberg to take advantage of its unique launch capabilities. Their Falcon 9 rockets are regularly used to launch satellites into polar orbits, further expanding the company's reach in the space industry. Vandenberg may not have the same historical significance as Kennedy Space Center, but it plays a vital role in America's space program. Our countdown culminates in the vast steppes of Kazakhstan, where amidst a landscape that has witnessed centuries of history lies the Baikonur Cosmodrome. This is the world's oldest and busiest spaceport, a place where the space age truly began, and where legends were born. Imagine, if you will, a time before humans ventured into space, a time when the very idea seemed like science fiction. It was from Baikonur in 1957 that Sputnik 1, the first artificial satellite, was launched, forever altering the course of human history. The world watched in awe as this tiny beeping sphere circled our planet, a testament to human ingenuity and the boundless possibilities of space exploration. And then, just a few years later in 1961, Baikonur etched its place in history once more. It was from this very launch pad that Yuri Gagarin became the first human to journey into space. Gagarin's flight captured the imagination of the world, inspiring generations to dream of reaching for the stars. For decades, Baikonur was the heart of the Soviet space program, the launch site for countless missions that pushed the boundaries of human exploration. Even today, Baikonur remains one of the busiest spaceports on Earth, a testament to its legacy and its enduring importance in the age of space exploration. From the bustling launch pads of China to the historic grounds of Baikonur, we've journeyed across continents, exploring the incredible feats of engineering that make space travel possible. These launch sites are more than just concrete and steel. They are symbols of human ambition, ingenuity, and our unquenchable thirst for discovery. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this countdown, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more exciting content from Aerospace Engineering Enclave. We've got a universe of knowledge to explore, and we can't wait to take you along for the ride. Leave a comment below on which launch site you find the most fascinating.